Hi guys, this is Primrose and welcome back to my channel. And today I wanted to share with you the plants that I have in our bathroom. So this is a small area and we have a small window in here, a single window. So in the floor area I have this philodendron, Little Hope. So this is not a vining type. This is a compact version. The leaves does not grow really large like the monstera, and the stems are shorter, and it's very lush. So it's happy here. It gets some amount of bright light in the early morning, and the rest of the day it's low light in this area. It's underneath our sink. And up here I have two hanging plants which you have seen in my previous video. So this is my heartleaf philodendron. It's in this macrame that I made. And then this is my Maranta tricolor. And up in that corner, so this corner does not get any bright light. It's a low light corner. And I have a pothos. So this is another propagated pothos. And that's what I like about pothos. You can put it in a dark corner and it will still grow for you. And then over there in the window area, let me start from up there. This is my Boston fern. And over there I have a bunch of orchids. So that one is a dendrobium orchid. And look at the growth of this one. It started out as knobs and I thought it was going to be flowers, but it put out a lot of kikis. And so I start to feed this plant really well, because when it puts out a lot of new growth, that's when it needs more nutrient to support the growth of those new plants coming out. And then over here is my Haworthia fasciata, and it's putting out a single pop, and it's still very small to propagate. I think I will leave it to grow a little bit more. And at the moment it's got this very long flower spike, and look at it guys. So as it opens up, it curls. It looks like a popcorn almost. And over here I have this phalaenopsis, and it's been putting out a lot of flowers. So it started flowering in November, and then when the primary spike here finished blooming, I cut it off from this point, and then it started to put out two secondary spikes. Oh no, 3. There's another one. And then there's another flower spike at the back, and I did the same. Cut off the primary spike, and then it created a secondary spike. And at the moment, it's pushing out a new flower spike as well. So these orchids, I have been feeding them a bit more, that they are growing a lot of babies and flowers. They need more nutrients. And then over here is another Haworthia, and it's in this yogurt container. It's putting out a lot of new babies from me. And then another pot of Haworthias. These are the ones from Olga, so they are new. And that one, so this window is an east facing window. It does not get any direct sunlight even in the early morning, because we have a building right in front of this window. And that's okay for Haworthias. These are the kind of succulents that prefers little shade. So it turned purple. It used to be green, and that's what happened if it gets more bright light. And then the Gasteria, I have it for 2 years now, but it's not doing anything. It's not giving me any new plant, but that's okay. It stays pretty. And then over here is a bird's nest Sansevieria. And then I think that is an Oncidium. And that one is beginning to die back, and it's putting out a new Kiki as well. Another Dendrobium, and it has a lot of new growth as well. And up there I have this Delancia osneoides, Spanish moss. It's easier. And then another plant in here in this corner. So this is the one that I got for my birthday 3 years ago, and it was that small. So I'm very proud of this one. At first I did not know what to do with this, but it liked it here. It likes it in the bathroom where it gets a lot more humidity, and it does not like to be in front of a direct sunlight. And so far that's all I have in this small bathroom. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.